Hello children, a very warm day everywhere. This is your Valley, addressing from SLVM School Jagbatnagaram, dealing with the subject English. So children, I hope everyone are fine and doing good. Be safe, be healthy and stay at home and try to learn new things at your home. Okay children, and in the last video we discussed about the topic letter writing. So on that video, I given a clear hint that letters are of four types: formal letters, informal letters, social letters, and some activity letters. So, and in this video, we are going to discuss about deeply about formal letters. What are formal letters? Look here. Formal letters are usually addressed to government officials, businessmen, banks, school principals, etc. Formal letters are the letters which we have to write for government officials, government officers, and businessmen, and for banks, and for school principals, class teachers, and everyone. And also we can write applications are also placed in this category. While applying to any school, any college, any institution, any coaching center, the letter we have to write to the head of that institution comes under these formal letters. Okay children? And the language used in such letters should be formal, courteous and simple. And the language we have to use on this formal letters may be formal, very punctual, very dignity words, and courteous and simple too. Okay children, and the next point is formal letters falls into three categories. Formal letters falls into three categories. What are the categories? The first one is official letters, and the second one is business letters, and the third one is letters to the newspaper editor. What is official letters? Letters of complaint, complaining someone, and request to authorities and offices. Letters of complaint, in the sense we are complaining about our local areas cleanliness and environment development to the regarding officers, answer for newspapers or for magazine editors. These type of letters will come under official letters and request to authorities. In the sense requesting to authorities, in the sense requesting our principal, requesting our class teachers and officers, in the sense to grant a loan and to give one more chance about the job. These type of actions are comes under official letters. And the next one is business letters. What is business letters? Letters to organizations and individuals on business matters and complaints. Letters to organizations. Some companies, small organizations and individuals on business matters and complaints. For example, you are going to do a simple handloom at your home. So you want some raw material or products, so that you are writing a letter to that organization, to that company head or manager to help with you by sending the raw material to encourage or develop or to help your jobs. So that these letters are considered business letters. And the next one is letters to the newspaper editor. Expression views regarding social issues. For example, the main issue, the danger what we are facing now in our today's two generations is social issues, the corona issue. So corona issue, what are the topics we have to discuss? The social issue we have to write to the newspapers about corona is no one is following the traffic rules, no one is staying at home, and always they are roaming on roads. You observe that complaint, so that you are writing an article to the newspaper editor and drawing attention to a problem. For example, a dumping yard problem, a gas leakage problem, a water piping problem, a drainage system problem. These type of problems also you may write to the newspaper editors to help us. Okay children, the three types of official letters are: formal letters are official letters, business letters, and letters to the newspaper editor. And next, and look at this paper, look at this. In this page, I am explaining a features of a formal letter. How we have to write a formal letter? In the previous video, I used two words mainly: international system, national system. And this is the format of national system, our Indian wise, our local wise. We are using this formal letter. Firstly, we have to write the heading. Heading for international system. That heading is, we have to write date and address. Date and address. After date, we have to place comma. After address, we have to write full stop. That is the department of heading. And the next department is the recipient's designation and address. To address. Okay. To the principal. SLVM School Chakapatnagaram. Just like that, we write the designation and address. Next, subject. Subject in the sense, why we are writing that letter. The main theme of the letter we have to write on subject. Next, salutation. Salutation in the sense, dear sir, dear ma'am, respected teacher, respected class teacher, just like that. Next, body of the letter. The main matter of the letter. Next, subscription. Yours lovingly, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. These type of actions which comes under subscription. And finally, the topic is signature. Signature in the sense, you can write your name. Okay, and look at here. While writing this all, we use comma. After subject, full stop. After salutation, comma. Body of the letter must be a paragraph. You can write as per your wish. And look here, subscription after comma, signature after full stop. That's the basic format of writing a formal letter here. Now we will discuss about the formal letter deeply with two examples. Look at here. Here is a letter to the principal. Write an application to your principal requesting him to grant you full scholarship. This is a formal letter. You are writing a letter to your principal to request grant a scholarship while writing and requesting a letter. Look at here, the first date, comma, after, address, your address. From which place you are going to write that? After, full stop. Listen carefully children. Last year also I observed many times that you are missing this comma and full stop. Don't miss those ones. And next, to address. After to, we don't place any punctuation mark. It must be empty like this. Next, the principal sir. After comma, SLVM School, comma, Chakapatnagaram, full stop. This is the heading department. And this is regarding address department. Okay, next, subject. The main theme of writing letter is request for grant of full scholarship. Okay, this is subject department. And respected sir, this is salutation department. Salutation department after comma. And body of the letter. Body of the letter. And next, subscription. Yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Why? Because you are writing to a letter. You are writing a letter to an official one. So far, you writing letter to a official ones, we use faithfully or sincerely. So yours faithfully after comma, finally the signature. I use the name Srija after full stop. These commas and full stops are very important in our national system. Remember that. And the next one is letter to bank manager. Write an application to a bank manager requesting him to issue a new passbook since you have lost your old passbook. Letter to a bank manager, and of course it's an official one. So you have to write a letter to a bank manager. Obviously the heading department, date after comma, place after full stop, next to address after to it must be empty, and the manager comma, Andhra Bank comma, Killampudi full stop. Up to Killampudi after full stop, why we are making a full stop means it's an indication that the address part's already completed. Next subject, request for a new passbook, full stop. Next, sir, why don't use any respected sir or dear sir or anything else? Why? Because we don't know the manager. Manager is a designation, right? So while giving respect to the designation, we are simply using sir. No, nothing has to use here. That's it enough. Sir after comma. And after that, a body of the letter thanking you sir, comma. And here, subscription department, yours faithfully. And one more hint, children. Look here in the previous letter also. I don't place any apostrophe here. I don't place any apostrophe. Why? Because yours should be right like this. Don't use apostrophe. Okay. So yours faithfully, comma, Monita, comma, bank account number. So children, I hope the formal letters topic is very clear up to now. Thank you for watching my video, and in the next video we will discuss about informal letters and few others. Thank you children.